Hi everybody, Doug at Jammin J Auto and Tire. Wanted to shoot just a quick video on how to check your oil. With today's cars having more and more problems with engine oil consumption, we want you to get in the habit of starting to check your oil. So what we're going to do is look underneath the hood right here, and you'll usually find some sort of dipstick. It's usually yellow, orange. This one's kind of a burnt red. I don't know. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull it out, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to wipe it clean, and then I'm going to stick it right back in here, and all we're doing is we're dipping this in the oil. And then we're going to come over here and I'm going to actually show you what I'm looking at right here. And if you notice, right here are these hash marks. If you see the oil is right at the middle of the hash marks, let me wipe this off for you so you can see what we're looking at. But right here, those hash marks is where the oil was in between there. What I want, when this oil should literally be right up to around in here. So one of the common misconceptions is if this has no oil in the dipstick, that it's completely out of oil, and it's probably not. This distance right here is probably 1 quart, and from here to here is 2 quarts. So that was right here in the middle. So this car is probably about a quart, maybe half a quart, 3/4 of a quart low, somewhere in there. But what you want to do is, if you don't just go pouring a bunch of oil in there, if you add it, we have to find out how low it is. And once again, if it's off the dipstick, it could be completely empty, but maybe it's just 1 or 2 quarts low. So that's how you check it.